Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you the Snow Atlas package builder. To access this, open up a browser and search snowsoftware.io. It will greet you with this welcome screen. Type in your email, type in your company domain, and type in your password if you're not using SSO. If you're using SSO, fill in the prompts on your screen. You'll be greeted with the Snow Atlas home screen. On the left side, select Applications and select Package Builder. This will greet you with the agent packages, and if you have prior created agents, it will show within the list view in the screen here, but in my case, as we can see, no data available. On the screen, you have the options to create an install package, and this will be the agent, and on the right, you have a help button. On the help button, you have access to download the templates. To access this, just simply click the URL, and this will open up the Snow Software GitHub access and will let you select your different agents configurations simply by accessing the folders. For example, here is the Windows one. Going back to the Snow Atlas platform, you also have access to the documentation for building the agents. For example, the details about the package builder, covering configuration templates, permission requirements for your roles on your Atlas users. To be able to see this, as you can see here, they require configuration settings R and configuration context and configuration context accrued. Permissions to be able to access the package builder. Without these, you would not have the option to select it underneath the Applications tab on the left bar here. Going back to the package builder documentation, as you can see, the platform will create the following packages: PKG for Apple, DEB and RPM for Linux, SH for Unix, and MSI for Windows. There is a number of statuses when building an agent: available download, building, failed, malware detected, not in queued, pending authorization, as well as scanning for malware, which we'll cover further in the package builder documentation video. Going back to the Snow Atlas platform, you also have access to manage installation packages, agent packages, which will take you to the documentation page regarding the steps of creating a Snow agent, which we'll cover further in another video. I hope this video has helped you understand the package builder. Thank you.